Welcome to LOOkX YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the perfect look for high tea with your best friends. So first up, I'm using the Smart 4-in-1 Protection Primer. Massage this all over. This is going to help hydrate and protect your skin from any makeup sat in fine lines or open pores. Afterwards, I'm using the Silky Touch foundation with the foundation brush. You only need a small amount to go a long way, and I'm gliding this all over my skin. This will give you a medium to full coverage with a nice dewy, healthy finish. Afterwards, the concealer. Now this concealer is my favourite for helping colour correct, but not only that, highlighting the skin as well to give you that nice lifted bone structure effect. I'm just tapping this in with the LOOkX foundation brush, and as you can see, it glides in seamlessly. Now to set my makeup and give a little bit more extra coverage, the Natural Velvet Mineral Foundation. What's amazing about this foundation is it's a velvet finish, so it gets rid of unwanted shine and sets your makeup. Not only that, you can use it on its own as a foundation as well. Now for my brows, the brow pencil. So I'm gliding over with the brush just to neaten up my hairs, and now I'm going over the pencil, just gliding it across the brow hairs there and giving a little bit more structure back into the shape of my eyebrows. The texture of this particular product is really creamy, easy to use, and it glides on top of your skin without catching to the hairs too much. So you're still going to get a nice even coverage of this brow pencil, but also a nice natural finish. Now to start with eye makeup. So the first colour I'm using is number 28 Rainforest Wood Pearl with the eyeshadow brush. This is going all over my lid. This is going to give me a nice smoky effect, but it also has this beautiful golden undertone with a slightly green hint to it, so it's going to warm up your eye makeup look. I'm using this on the lower lash line as well to give that smoky effect. Not only that, but it gives the illusion your eyes are bigger. Now for the most beautiful colour, 139 Forest Pearl. Now this really does have that emerald green tint to it, and that's going to really help push this look to be something quite special. After that, I'm using number 25 Savanna and Pearl. Now Savanna Pearl is an amazing highlight colour. This can go in the inner corner. You can even highlight your brow bones with this, or even the tops of your cheekbones for that real wow factor. One of the latest products LOOkX has got right now is the Loose Eyeshadow Moon Shimmer Gold Brown. Now this is a stunning pigment. It is a full pigment, as you can see. It doesn't take a lot to really show up, but it's a gorgeous shimmery pigment. You can use this to highlight your skin, your body, but I love using it in the inner corner of my eyes for a real pop, or over the top of other eyeshadow to give it a two-tone effect. Up next, we're using the Exclusive eyeliner, number 7 Deep Black Matte. This is a jet black creamy eyeliner, and it's a matte tone, so you're going to get a real definition with this particular pencil. I've used that across the top lash line and into my waterline to really make my eyes pop. Now I need to clean up under my eyes slightly, so I'm using that concealer again just to perfect the under eyes and making sure it's nice and clean and nice and bright. Afterwards, for my lashes, I'm using Mascara Boost. Now, what's amazing about this particular product is I don't even need to curl my lashes to get that real lifted effect. This will help lengthen and thicken as well, and I'm using this on top and bottom lashes. After that, Powder Bronzer Duo Blush. So I'm using with the blush brush all over with the bronze, and then just on the apples of my cheeks with that gorgeous rosy pink tone for blusher. For the lips, I'm using Velvet Lip Liner, a very creamy texture, so it's going to hydrate and sit all day. And to finish the look off, I'm using number 4 Violet Pearl Lip Gloss, an amazing lip gloss that's actually made with beeswax, so it's going to stay on all day, give you that really gorgeous pout effect with the shine and the gloss, and it's going to hydrate your lips. So who wouldn't want a gloss like that? So I hope you've enjoyed this look, and I hope you watch all of our other tutorials. We have lots more coming up. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!